To change home time zone for your roaming clock in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find lock screen. Tap lock screen and then tap roaming clock. Tap home time zone. To change the region, tap region and then select the desired region. If the selected region has multiple time zone, you'll be asked to select a time zone with that region. Select the time zone. The home time zone for your roaming clock has been changed. By doing this action, your phone will display both the time where you are and the time you set in your home time zone in your lock screen, and always on display when it's active while you are roaming. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.